When you hear Forestry and Land Scotland, most people think our work is about growing trees. And that's true, but it's only part of the story. We manage around 9% of Scotland's total land area and do way more than just forestry. We develop renewable energy schemes, contributing 1.1 gigawatts to our Scottish overall energy targets. We plan, build and maintain roads, trails and visitor centres, conserve habitats and wildlife and archaeological treasures. We also have farming and work with communities and partnership projects. As you can see, we manage a vast estate covering all corners of Scotland, and knowing where things are is core to what we do. Of our 1,000 employees, 80% uses GIS tools on a daily basis to perform their jobs. A large percentage is also field-based. So, how do these mobile workers capture data? Today, I'd like to share with you Forestry and Land Scotland's journey to improve its mobile data capture and how harnessing ArcGIS field maps has benefited our staff and our organisation. Field maps also integrates perfectly with our corporate Forestry GIS. What's important to emphasise is that you don't have to be a GIS expert to use any of those tools. At present, we have 370 users from all different areas of the business like forestry, planning, renewables, estates development, civil engineering, recreation, and they all using this mobile tool. And you may ask, how does it benefit your staff? What it means to our staff is a simple end-to-end data collection process right from the field into the office. Without field maps, staff would have to travel to the office, print a handful of maps, then travel to the forest, collect their data on paper, and then bring it back to the office to be processed. It's laborious, time inefficient, and with lots of potential for error. With ArcGIS field maps, our staff have access to our up-to-date core data on their phone. They can capture data offline, and at click of a sync button, data is immediately available at our corporate web platform, available to all our staff. Let me show you an example. We are going to map out some area of felling using our mobile editable layers and then sync it to our corporate system, Forestry Web. As you can see, this area of felling has an impact on some of the mountain bike trails. I am now syncing this information to Forestry Web and immediately can flag to the recreation team how this area of felling will impact in one of their mountain bike trails. This is just one example of how we use it. Clearly, this has been a benefit to our staff. But what's the benefit to our organisation? What this boils down to is time saved and consistent data collection right across the organisation. So, if you're looking to make your field data collection more efficient, we hope that sharing our experience of adopting ArcGIS field maps will inspire you to take these first steps on this wonderful journey. Now, this is just one example of how we use mobile GIS tools on a daily basis. Let's now hear about how we use ArcGIS Survey 123 to help us with ash dieback.